Good morning, everybody, or evening if it's evening where you live. Another unboxing. I got some China mail. This looks like a small one. It says it is wallpaper. That's funny. I wonder if they're trying to convince customs that it's wallpaper. But let's get this open and see what it is. I just love getting packages. It's a surprise every day. I got Baby and Charlie here. This is like, oh no, I thought it was in a tube for a second, but it's not. It's just a nice strong canvas. Remember when I used to be able to just rip things open, but it doesn't really happen anymore. Oh, it's wrapped around a foam core. This is kind of a weird packing job, I guess. Let's see. It's taped shut. It is a full drill. Get the garbage out of the way. Oh, sorry, Charlie. Throw it at him. There's the foam core. Little wrinkly, but not bad. It is a 40 by 30 full drill of a cardinal. Since I moved here to Illinois, I have a fascination with cardinals. It is cardinal country. I have a bird feeder outside and I get many, many cardinals every day. That's very pretty. It's a clear film on top. The symbols are very clear, and it's 21 colors. It's really kind of nice to see what a nice canvas you can get. I know I didn't pay very much for this. I will find the link and throw the picture up there. Real pretty with the pinks and then the reds of the cardinal. Here's all the drills. Let me get this open somehow. There we go. I haven't had a big problem with oily drills lately. Someone said in one of the groups that it was because of the hot weather, and honestly, I think that might be correct, since most of my oily drills were arriving when the weather was over 100 degrees here. So maybe they're made of something that sweats, and that's how the oil comes out. Okay, the bags just have numbers on them, so it makes inventory pretty easy. Number like 1 through, how many colors did I say? 1 through 21. No DMC numbers on here. Are they on the, oh good, DMC numbers are on the canvas itself. Alright, move the scissors. Yeah, they stink. That's a lot of, yeah, there is a lot of green. I'm gonna have to lay this flat for a while. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me get a Ziploc bag because I can't hold all these. I buy Ziplocs for now, but I did look online and saw that just regular plastic bags with a zip container are pretty cheap on Wish. So I may do that going forward, or from the craft store or Walmart. Pick some up. I don't need to have a Ziploc. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look, they're all in order. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All here. Little bag of tools. I've got a pen, pink pen with a 3 tip and a 1 tip. Normal green boat and pink wax. Throw everything in there, and then I will make a label for this bag that says red cardinal, just cardinal. It's fine. Blop, 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 blop. I bought this P-Touch just for this. It has a wonderful setting that puts a pretty frame around it. Whatever you type in, which I like. These are the flowers. So that says Cardinal. Sorry, let me show it. Cardinal. This is a P-Touch, Brother P-Touch model PT-M95. And I use it to label all my drills. It has a nice small setting where I can put a little number. I put the DMC number on there too if I know it. So when I'm done with a project, it makes it really easy to store my drills. Drills that don't have a DMC number are becoming kind of a sand art project. I throw them all together, mix them all together in one big glass hurricane. That's it. I got 2 more to do today, so expect a few more videos. You have a great day. Bye-bye.